Hi everyone, this is Attorney Poonam Minhas back with another USCIS update, immigration update. You call it whatever you want. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on any updates, any information I post on US immigration law. If this is not your first time here, welcome back. Stay tuned because today's video is going to be super short and it's going to be all about USCIS and their current proposal to increase some immigration fees. So check it out. As you may or may not know, as of January 4th, 2023, yes, this year, after the New Year's, DHS has published a proposal, so a proposed rule on the Federal Register to change some immigration fees. And the current update that I have for you now is that initially the public comments were supposed to end around March 6th, and now they have extended that period, the public commentary period, until March 13th. So the proposed rule has some changes with the immigration fees, and I will tell you why they're proposing this. And you can always check that out. The link is actually in the description. So after you're done watching this video, subscribing, liking, sharing with all your friends and family, make sure to check out the description and you can click on the link or copy and paste it to your browser to see what that's all about. Now, you may be wondering, why do we need this increase, or why does USCIS want to increase these fees? Well, there's several reasons. So you may also know that certain humanitarian programs have expanded and processing times are a lot longer. So certain petitions that were taking a few months to get adjudicated, they're taking a lot more longer. Then the needs of certain individuals are a lot more. So in order for USCIS to adequately provide really good service, they're saying, hey, we need an increase in these fees because that's how we can hire more people and process applications a lot more quicker. So now that is all going to be determined after March 13, 2023 to see what happens. So what does that mean for you? What does that mean for your friend, your neighbor, your family member who's experiencing some immigration hurdles and hasn't filed anything yet? So I have some of the popular forms that are, currently being filed or in the process of being filed, and I can go over exactly what the increase is going to be. I mean, you can see this information for yourself by clicking the link in the description, but I wanted to just go over it with you today since I have you here. Okay, so another thing I do want to let you know is that DHS is proposing that they are probably going to require fees for the travel document and the work permit document with the form adjustment of status. So with the I-485, they are proposing to require fees for the travel document and the work permit. So currently, as of today, when the video is being posted and prior to this video, the applications for the work permit and travel document were free, and you were getting that under the one-time fee for the adjustment of status application. So just a heads up about that. I know some people are upset about that, but that's something I wanted to inform you. Okay, so let's take the citizenship application, for example. Current filing fees, if you're doing paper format, which as an attorney, I always stick by paper, it's $725 with biometrics, but the proposed rule is going to jump that up by $35, so it's at $760. Let's take the popular, immediate relative application, the marriage-based application, the sibling application. So if you do it by paper, it's currently $535. It is jumping up to $285 more, so that gives you $820. So that is a pretty big jump. Let's talk about the I-601A waiver, which is the unlawful presence waiver. Currently with the biometrics, it's $715. and that is jumping up based on the proposal to $1,105. That's around $390 of a jump. I have some good news though. So there is one application that is getting a drop of like $75, and that is the application to renew your green card. Currently it's around $540, and the proposed rule sets that at $465. So that gives you a decrease of $75. And of course, the other two popular applications are the adjustment of status, which is currently at $1,225 with the biometrics, and that is jumping up to $1,540. And the removal of conditions application is currently at $680, and that may be jumping up to $1,195. You're looking at almost over $500 in an increase in removing your conditions. So what does that mean for you? So if you are like in the process of filing and you don't know whether you should go ahead and file right now or not, you may want to think about it. Definitely sit down with an immigration attorney to make sure your paperwork is up to date. It's good to file. You don't have any complications with your immigration history. I don't want you to come into more hurdles just by getting in an application to lock in these fees and to avoid the increase. But you also want to make sure that the paperwork looks good, that you're eligible for the reliefs that you're seeking, and that can all be discussed with an immigration attorney. So again, I wanted to keep you updated about any changes in immigration. This is the current update about the USCIS proposed filing fees. Make sure to check back and see what's next. What are we looking at? What has happened since the commentary part, or have they extended it again? Let's take a look and see how that moves along. As you already know, they extended it, so we'll sit back and see what happens with DHS and USCIS. So again, make sure to hit subscribe, make sure to hit the bell icon if this is your first time here. Like, share with all your friends and family, and please keep checking back and seeing what's new about U.S. immigration law. Thank you.